Okay, just thought I'd throw out an update here on the ATSWT MC. Got new lens covers for it from LiftMaster today. So it's now properly repaired. White bottoms, of course. New design ones. And it's sitting next to its, I guess what we would call its older brother, because it's older than it. The old version of the ATSW with the non-MC board in it. But we'll run the new one real quick for you, since I got it on video. There you go. Super quiet. From smashed to restored. Thanks again. Have a good one.